like in 1 month.
Uh-huh.
You'd wonder how they could go anyway.
Yeah, so
You just have to
fast.
take a whole bunch
So
of
fast.
pictures and then eventually,
Grandpa,
you know, you get a
uh,
smile or.
do you
Yeah.
have any message you'd
That's
like
right.
to
You never quite
tell
know
us?
what's gonna happen.
We can,
Yeah,
Yeah.
you know, for like when she's older?
When she's older,
Yeah.
oh, well, yes, I said, you are blessed by the family on both sides of your life, on your mother's side and your dad's side. You've been blessed, and you're fortunate to be born. And just like I feel the same thing about me, but you are special because you have a special daddy and a special mama. Oh, they are a special couple. And then their grandmama and their granddaddy too, and aunts and uncles. And
Great-great-grandfathers.
you're gonna have a wonderful life. You're gonna have a wonderful life of love. Everybody loves you. You're gonna be loved. Everybody here is gonna love you for all your days. And they'll be gone and you'll still be alive.